Hey guys, showing you this Poetic iPhone 12 mini case. So this case comes in nice box. So let me do the unboxing first so you know what's inside the box. So there are two options and these are the instructions to put it. So this case is this option or this insert is without the screen protector. So if you want to use your phone without the screen protector, you can use that one, and then if you want to use it with the screen protector, you can use this insert. So the back silicone and the solid face is same for both, so it's up to you what you want to choose. And then you can see to remove all this protective covering and the layers, the case look really nice with a transparent back. And then just take out this silicone back. So this insert, you can see like in the back one is a transparent one, and this is with the screen protector. So this is a clear screen protector. So let's put the phone inside. All the ports and everything fits really well, and the top of the silicone goes like this. So this is a protective from all the four corners, and you can see like every port is accessible, no issues. These are dust protector as well. And then all the buttons and things are working fine. So this is a MagSafe for charging. You can see it start charging, so the case is good. And then in the back also looks fine, like show the logo as well as the color. So very nice and protective case, looks nice in the hands too.